Morning friends, today we are starting new topic, the pitfall of dieting. Nowadays everybody wants to remain slim and trim. The person who are overweight or obese also want to reduce or lose weight. They use various methods of weight loss. Most of them adhere to dieting to lose weight. In starting, dieting produces good result, but after initial success, it adds more weight later on. Even research studies indicate that 90% of the dieters gain all of their weight back. We know that losing weight is not as simple as it sounds. Eat less and exercise more to burn calories. We know this scientific fact, but it is difficult to implement. The major pitfall of dieting are discussed ahead. First, lack of proper nutrition. Dieting leads to limit major nutrients severally. You cut out the carbohydrates, fats, proteins and other nutrients. Try to understand that your body needs all forms of nutrients to keep you healthy. Understand how much amount of particular nutrients are required by your body and follow accordingly. Now second, extreme reduction of calories. For dieting, intake of calories are reduced extremely. Research studies indicate that 1800 calories a day cannot meet all the nutritional requirements of an individual. If you reduce more intake of calories, it will produce a huge weight loss. It can be dangerous for you. Third, skipping meals. It is fact that if you have good metabolic rate, you can maintain or lose weight. If it is low, you gain weight very easily. So if you skip meals, it will lower your metabolism to conserve energy. And the last fourth one is not performing exercise. If you do on dieting and do not perform exercise, it will not work properly. Instead of losing weight, you are likely to gain weight. As a matter of fact, exercise has a positive effect on metabolism and also helps to burn some extra calories. Exercise increases metabolic rate, which ultimately reduces body weight. So dieting is beneficial if you perform exercise along with it. And now we will come to food intolerance. Food intolerance is more common than food allergy. Food intolerance is a term used widely for varied physiological responses associated with a particular food. In simple words, food intolerance means the individual element of certain food that cannot be properly processed and absorbed by our digestive system. And now we will come to its causes. Causes of food intolerance. There are lot of causes like inactivity of enzyme responsible for breaking down or absorbing of food elements, select diseases, organic chemicals present in food, illness, diet related problems, lifestyle with erratic food intakes, high intake of refined foods, poor intake of dietary fibers. Now we will come to its symptoms. There are lot of symptoms of intolerance: gas cramps or bloating, stomach pain, diarrhea, headache, vomiting and heartburn. And now we will come to its management. Individual can try minor changes to diet to exclude food, causing clear-cut reactions. If you are not able to know the food which causes problem, you should seek expert medical help. Guidance can also be provided by your general practitioner to assist in diagnosis and management. For managing food intolerance, fructose intolerance therapy, lactose intolerance therapy and histamine intolerance therapy can be applied. And now we'll come to food myth. There are many myths related to food which are prevalent not only in India but all over the world. What to eat, when to eat and how often to eat are such questions which usually confuse most of the individual. We believe in such myths because they could be true.